Hello, how you doing? Basically, you know the big secret I've been keeping for a while. To be exact, 2 months. Basically, I found out that I was getting the boobsies, the bigger boobsies, I should say. 2 months ago. So I had a consultation with my surgeon on the 12th of May, and it's been so hard to keep it quiet, and I'm so frigid excited, and I don't know how to actually control my emotions. I'm so frigid excited. So basically today is the 7th of July. It's the 7th of July 2018, and I'm going into surgery on the 11th, so that's four frigid days away. Anyways, so I'm very excited. It's been a really chaotic 2 months, but at the same time has literally gone so slow. It breaks my little trans heart how slow time has gone, but work has kept me distracted. Even though I had a timer on my computer at work, which didn't help because it made time go really slow. But basically this is what I'm working with right now. I have an A cup right now, and there is no official size I'm going to come out with, and basically I will know when I come out. The surgeon is working with what he has, and he doesn't want to get my hopes up, but he says he'll go as big as he can, meaning C-ish D, but we're thinking C. Basically, yeah, this is I guess I shouldn't be wearing black. It makes them look a bit smaller, but I have something there, I promise. They're gorgeous, they're fabulous, they're not so big, not for long, but I can't frigid wait. And I want to make a massive thank you to all the amazing people that have actually helped contributing towards the pre-op fees that I actually have to pay. Basically, I paid for the full surgery myself, but basically all the pre-op surgery requirements I had to do and get, I have been getting a bit of help from the amazing people of the internet, but thank you so much. And I'm so excited, all my little pandas, and this is going to be the first installment of don't know how many videos, but I'm going to bring you along because as much as I want to make it for you, I want to make it for me too, because I want memories to look back on. You know, those days when I had an A cup. Yeah, well, I no longer have an A cup. That's what I can say when I'm watching this video back in the future. I'm going to officially ban myself from touching my hair. That's the thing. I'm going to make a series. Do not touch your hair, Alexis. It's going to be so entertaining. But basically, I'm so excited. So excited. If you haven't met my face before, hi. I'm Alexis. This is my face. This is my face 3 months on T. No, it's not. It's on E. Ooh. I actually have not even a clue how long I have been on estrogen at this point. Time really does just actually fly, and I've lost count. So what did I do? Did I make like a 15-month video once upon a time? So I'm going to say a wild guess and say 16, maybe 17. Time flies when you're working really hard and you don't understand what day of the week it is anymore, because adulting is tiring. Okay, all my little pandas, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're excited like I am. I guess next time you'll see me is in the morning update of the surgery, and you're gonna be seeing me all nervous and all excited. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Goodbye. I love you. Bye. I don't know what to say. Just go away. So